Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody, this is AR from AR Tech Official, and today I have different speakers for repairing. My dear viewers, as you can see here, I have LP V55, which is a wireless speaker, and as well as sun speaker, because its battery can be charged from solar energy. Okay, my dear viewers, let's go and open the speaker and see what's the problem of the speaker. Okay.
LP. Enjoy music. Enjoy life.
Oh yeah, my dear viewers, I found the problem. It's like switch problem. Let's open this wireless speaker and see how we can solve this problem. The very easy way of opening LP V55 is to come here and open it from here. My dear viewers, as you can see, I'm opening LP V55 and let me see how we can prepare this. Okay, I'm going to this speaker. My dear viewers, as you can see here, we have the like a sticker here. If you want to first of all, please, my dear viewers, as you can see, we have a sticker here. First of all, we have to put the sticker out like this. Please don't try to tear it. You can glue it back very easily. And here we have to do this in order to make it like this. Okay, still we have one. Dear friends, one of the big problems in V55 is its buttons. Mostly my clients bring this to me in order to fix button problems. Oh my God. I hope it may not be broken. Okay. Dear friends, as you can see, there are 4 buttons, and this button is not similar with others. In order to make it straight, just a very easy step. Just this lighter and very little light, and then very little light. It will be okay. See, my viewers? Now it's okay. It's a very good technique for it. A little bit more light or fire. A little bit more here. Yeah. Now I guess it's okay. It's the easiest way of making these buttons. I guess the easiest way. These buttons are not working. Except this. Let's see. Now this was a very easy technique. These buttons are working, and we are going to as you can see, my friends, this is inside of V55. As you can see, nothing else is here, just the speaker and this like wiring, and here is a PCB or socket or board. These are buttons. This is a small solar panel, this is antenna, and this is battery. The battery of V55 is outside battery. This is the speaker, and this is the inside system of V55. And here is a strap. My dear viewers, you saw how I opened this V55. You can open it easily, and the main problem of this V55 wireless speaker was this button, and you saw how I made it. This is inside of V55. Now we are going to make it as before and as it was. We have to check its buttons because they are very important. Yeah, as you can see, again this button is not working. Let's open it again and see what's the problem. My dear viewers, as you can see, when we are trying to have these buttons on this switch, it goes down suddenly like this. I'm going to use my lighter again a little bit and make it a little bit like this. Now I think it will be okay. Dear friends, this is the inside of V55 or LP V55 wireless speaker. Now we are going to make it like before. Now these buttons are working very well. I'm still worried about this button, this play in pause button. I think it's okay now. Anyway, let's see. My dear viewers, as you saw, the main problem of the speaker was its button, and now we just fixed that button, and we are going to tie the the like screws. My dear viewers, as you can see, this button is fixed now. Let's see.
LP. Enjoy music. Enjoy life.
And now this is fixed. Let's pack it back and give it to our customer.